Welcome to part 2. So I have this ball here. I'm going to call it a ball. Use whatever you have available. And I'm going to show you 4 different kinds of throws that we can do with this object, with this ball, and then assign them each a number so we can talk about ways to combine the throws in different orders. So the first throw I want you to learn, try each of these with me, is 1. It's called a 1, and it goes like this, back and forth. So if you hear me say 1, I mean this. And that could be just touching each time, or if you want to throw it with a sort of zappy, fast throw, as long as you can catch it okay. If it's hard to catch for you with this kind of throw, bring it in and make it closer at first. If you're dropping some during this lesson, that's okay. That's part of learning, but just if you find yourself dropping a lot, try to make the trick as easy as possible first until you get good at it, and then you can make it fancier later. You can also always pause this and work on a thing, and then unpause when you're ready to keep going. So, this is our 1. The next throw I want to teach you is a 2. It's actually a fake out. It's not a real throw. It's just this. So if I say 2, do this. 1 would be this, 2 would be this. If I said 1, 2, I mean try this. Or if I said 1, 2, 1, 2, that would be, or 1, 1, 2, like that. So a 3 is the next throw, and that is in the air crossing. From hand to hand. It's different than a 1 because it's up higher. If you're dropping when you try this, you can still make it low, just make it different than 1. This can be the 1, this can be the 3. 1, 3, 1, 3. Or if I said 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, that would look like this. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. The last throw I want to teach you is the 4, and that one is straight up and down in the same hand that threw it, catches it. So if I said 4, it would be this. Now to review, we can do a sequence of 1, 2, 3, 4, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Try that. Now I'm going to give you a few more combinations, and I'll just tell you the sequence of number, and I want you to try to make that juggle with the ball, and then I'll show you what it's supposed to be. I'll give you the answer after I give a moment to try. And when I give your answer, I'm always starting on this side. So the first one I want to do is 2, 4, 3, 3, 1. So the first answer is 2, 4, 3, 3, 1, like this. 2, 4, 3, 3, 1. Next one, try 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3. Go ahead. Okay, it's 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3. Now let's try a little bit longer one. This one is 3, 3, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1. See if you can get that. And I think it should look like this. 3, 3, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1. Each of the throws that we covered can be combined in any order you can think of. And you can use the numbers to test your memory for different orders of throws, or test your reaction time, like earlier if someone calls out a series of numbers and then you perform the throws. But also if you just want to get good at throwing and catching and jam with it, that's useful too. The one throw can be very versatile. It could go wider, it could go up and down, outlining a box. It could go around the neck or the legs. That 3 that goes up a bit more and back and forth could be done under the leg, or it could be done with arms crossed. The 4 that goes back to the same hand, you could do that around the other arm or back. So there's a lot of possibilities, and if you combine different throw types with different ways to move around the body, you can make up really fun sequence that uses a bunch of them. Something like that. So I hope you'll play with that if you want and enjoy, and if not, thanks so much for hanging out and have a great summer. Maybe we'll see you in person next school year.